Hey guys, let's make some VSCO Girl style finishing spray. Hello everyone, welcome to the Jen Spice channel. This is Jen and today we are going to make a VSCO Girl inspired spritzer. So we've got our scrunchies. I guess you put them on one hand, right girls? Okay, there's my scrunchies on. And let's get started. So the first part of the formulation I'm going to mix are all of the ingredients that are very, very small. So we're going to start with some hyaluronic acid. So we're going to add some of this to our teeny weeny here. And then we're going to add some sweetgrass, hydrosol, next we're going to add our fragrance, which is rose. And this is supposed to be essential oil, but I don't really think it is, but it's a very nice fragrance and it smells a lot like a Bulgarian rose. I'm going to stir this back up. I'll add this next. And we're going to add some polysorbate just to make sure that, okay, disperses well. And next on the list, our preservative. Got a acidic formulation here. And that's that. Oh, no, one more thing. Last thing I'm going to put in here is a little bit of my homemade glycerite. Now this one is made with rhubarb. So we're just going to add a gram of that. I'm going to have to sieve it because I'm still having fun with it, so just come on, you. It's coming. You don't want too much of this or you'll end up with a sticky facial preparation. So there we go. Perfect. Oops. So we'll set that aside. And we'll give this all a little mix. And we'll start mixing the main components next. Alright, so the first one is our ionized Kangen Beauty Water. So it has a pH of about 5.5. And then we're going to add rose water. add another floral water called Kibra water. Now this is an Indian blossom and it has a very pleasant aroma. It's a lot like roses that way. And there we go. So we've got that all mixed in. Now, this is a cold preparation, so we don't have to heat it or anything, which is really nice. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to this. I'm actually going to do this and give it a good mix. So I want all of that, all of those precious goodies all incorporated. And to boost the acidity of this, I am going to add a little bit of my own hibiscus kombucha vinegar. And like the other ingredients that I've made myself, we're going to strain it in. All right, that's going to give us our color and finish this off beautifully. Now, the last thing to do is to pour it into our bottles. And make sure your bottles are properly sanitized, like this one is. And these little handy dandies will be great for carrying around, so that you have a rosewater spritzer wherever you go. All right, so I wanted a bigger bottle because this stuff is amazing. If you'd like to get this in my store, it is now available by custom order. And it's a finishing spray, so it's my rose and rhubarb finishing spray. So you want some of this that you can spray for finishing your makeup, or just to refresh your face anytime. There you go. It's all ready for you. And it's awesome. See you next time. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe, and come on back to my soapy kitchen anytime. Bye.